You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. Jamaica is getting worse and worse by the years. I mean, you can't even sleep in your own bed without people coming in and trying to kill you and killing you. It's a shame. Wake up, Jamaica, wake up. And now the news. Several residents of Yorktown, Clarendon, and the police are now scrambling for answers following the shooting death of a woman and the injury of a 17-year-old girl in the community Tuesday night. It is reported that 34-year-old Felicia Myers was in her bed shortly after 8 o'clock when the door was kicked off by a gunman who shot her. The teenager, who was also in the room, tried to escape and was shot outside. The females were taken to the May Pen Hospital where Myers was pronounced dead and the teen admitted in serious condition. And that is some of the latest news out of Clarendon, Jamaica. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Until the next video, show me your friends and I will tell you your future. I'm out.